what the world's about. And I think there's a lot more of that in tribal cultures, and that this method of working with horses somehow it's going to get back into the tribal stuff. So we didn't get a chance to really process what we did with the horses, and I would like our discussion to be about that. And those who weren't there, how you connect with the people who have experienced it. There's always this sort of paradox of, how do I present this stuff when the main message is you can't get it unless you are there and experience it. So it's like your dance things, and you know, you kind of have to. But part of the getting in tune with your body, where's my body, how am I doing this? That's one level of it. And when it works, I'll give you one short story. When it works. You want me to tell the theoretical one? You knew I would cry about this.
My birthday. You know what I want.
So, Nadia has a lot of talent, but he doesn't like to let it be known. And so, because I think he knew that, I used to feel like that our job is to develop all our talents and to use them. And if this horse is talented, he should be a show horse. And I learned that, no, showing is an equine invention. And Nadia knew that I would, you know, think that I ought to be taking him that way. So he would screw it up. But when it works and when he